Hey everyone, welcome back to Advanced HTML CSS course. I hope you have already been through the basic HTML5 CSS3 tutorials. If not, I would highly recommend that because I would be assuming that you know everything which was discussed in that last course. Now, the motive of this course is to build on top of that knowledge, plus give you deep insights into what exactly HTML5 and CSS3 can achieve, what you should use them for, and how to get a better understanding. This is gonna be a thorough course. So again, I expect you to first of all just complete the basics one because that will just get you started with coding. And in this one, we'll just discuss a lot of things which you would probably not really find anywhere else as a video series or as a video tutorial. So yeah, pay close attention to this course. It's gonna be a lot of fun and a lot of learning if you just follow along with whatever material is given. So that is all for this video. Hope to see you very soon in the next one.